Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore one of the most famous buildings in the world, the White House. You know it as the home of the President of the United States, but it's so much more than that. It's a symbol of freedom, leadership, and history. So, let's take a closer look at this amazing place. What is the White House? The White House is the official home and office of the U.S. President. It's located in Washington, D.C., at 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. Every president since John Adams in 1800 has lived there. But the White House isn't just a house. It's a powerful symbol of American history, culture, and dreams. How was the White House built? Let's go back to the beginning. In 1792, George Washington wanted a grand home for the president. They held a contest, and an Irish-born architect named James Hoban won with a design inspired by grand European buildings. The building is made of white sandstone and has tall, beautiful columns, large windows, and fancy details inspired by Greek and Roman architecture. It's painted white, which makes it shine like a bright symbol of purity and strength. Construction started in 1792, and the first president to live there was John Adams in 1800. Did you know the White House was burned down? Yes. In 1814, during the War of 1812, the British set fire to the White House. But America rebuilt it. And guess what? They made it even stronger and more beautiful than before. That's the spirit of resilience. The White House stands tall no matter what. What's inside the White House? The White House has 132 rooms, 35 bathrooms, 6 floors, including the basement and attic. Some of the most famous rooms are the Oval Office, where the president works; the Blue Room, used for formal events; the East Room, the largest room, where big ceremonies happen; the State Dining Room, where important guests come for dinner. There's also a movie theater, a bowling alley, a swimming pool, and even a tennis court. What's outside the White House? The White House sits on 18 acres of land. That's a huge yard. Some special outdoor spots are the Rose Garden, where the president often gives speeches; the South Lawn, where helicopters land; the North Lawn, where you can see the American flag flying high. The gardens have beautiful flowers, big trees, and even little fountains. It's a peaceful, green space in the middle of a busy city. What style is the White House? The White House is designed in a style called neoclassical architecture. That's a fancy way of saying it looks like the grand buildings of ancient Greece and Rome. It's meant to show strength, beauty, and order. The design includes tall columns like Greek temples, big windows for light, a grand front door with a beautiful balcony. It's a timeless design, simple but full of meaning. Fun facts about the White House. It takes 570 gallons of paint to keep the White House white. There's a secret underground bunker in case of emergencies. The kitchen can serve 140 guests at a dinner party, and over 1,000 for a buffet. The president's helicopter lands on the South Lawn. It's called Marine One. And yes, the White House is open for tours, but you have to request in advance through your government representative. Why is the White House important? The White House is more than a house. It's a symbol of freedom, leadership, hope, and the power of the people. Presidents come and go, but the White House stands strong, representing the United States to the world. Final thoughts. The White House is a home, a workplace, and a piece of history. It's where decisions are made that can change the world. It's where leaders from other countries come to meet. And it's where the president and their family live, surrounded by history and tradition. Next time you see the White House on TV or in a movie, remember, It's more than just a building. It's a symbol of the American spirit, strong, proud, and full of hope. Thanks for sticking around to the very end. I truly appreciate every single one of you. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your community. Let's grow this channel together.